Going into more details about CAD, CAM or CAE tools, let us have a look at the classification of CAD tools. Here I am referring CAD as CADD, Computer Aided Designing and Drafting. Later on we will classify these tools as Computer Aided Design tools separately and Computer Aided Drafting tools separately, and there will be a list of CAE tools as well. So we will classify it like Computer Aided Designing and Drafting tools and CAE tools. In the Computer Aided Designing and Drafting tools, first we will have 2D CAD tools. Now when I am saying 2D CAD, it will refer CAD as Computer Aided Drafting. In 2D CAD tools we have AutoCAD, ZWCAD and CADian. There are many more tools available for 2D CAD work which are used by the industries. I have listed some of them which are actually preferred by the industries. These tools are majorly designed and used for 2D CAD work. In these tools you can perform the 2D work, you can create the drafting or you can create the sketches in these tools. Next we have 3D CAD tools. Again these are some of the 3D CAD tools. I am unable to list all the CAD tools because there are many. Creo, or I will refer it as Pro-E as well, Pro-E Wildfire, you must have heard the name of. Creo is actually updated version of Pro-E Wildfire from PTC. CATIA, the tool which we will be covering in this training. SolidWorks is one of the tool. UGNX, or some will refer it as NX, or Unigraphics is one of them. Another product from Siemens is Solid Edge. Autodesk Inventor is one of the tool which is preferred by the industries for 3D CAD work. Parasolid also. Now there are many tools. Which one to use? So I will say each tool has its own specific quality for which industry prefer that particular tool. You cannot name any tool that will give you all the solution, or again I will say you can use any tool for any of your solution, but for a specific solution some particular tool is easy, some particular tool is difficult, but yes, you will get the solution. For an example, aerospace or automobile industries, they prefer CATIA for their design solutions. But if you will go for jigs and fixture industries, they will prefer Creo or Unigraphics for their design solutions. Again, cost of the tool for professional licenses, the environment of the tool which you purchase, the modules which you purchase are the important factors for selection of the tool from the industry's end. Next we have CAE tools. CAE tools are ANSYS, Hypermesh, Console, MATLAB, Nastran and many more. Again, these tools also have some specific qualities due to which the industries are preferring them. For an example, again, ANSYS is preferred for analysis work, while Hypermesh is actually preferred for meshing work. But you can perform the meshing in ANSYS as well, and you can perform the analysis in Hypermesh as well. But the environment of the tool, the way of working of the tool, selection methods, graphical user interface, all these things matters for the industries as they work on bigger projects. It takes large file handling as well. So as per their own projects, as per their own requirements, as per their own work, as per their own capabilities, cost, investment, all these parameters matters for selection of the tool for the industries.